Hello students, welcome back to our second lecture, that is on coordinate geometry. So we'll be solving 10 questions today also. So let's start with the first question. The question is the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point A and B. Correct. So you have to find a point which is equidistant from both. If a point is on the x-axis, so that point, if it is, let A and B is given, let P, so it is on the x-axis, so x component will be there and y is 0. And it is said that it is equidistant, like if is this, and it is equidistant from 2 points. One is A, that is -1 0, and B, that is 5 0. If it is equidistant from 2 points, then the distance of PA is equals to PB, correct? So you have to find out the distance of PA. So 0 minus 0, y2 minus y1 plus x2 minus x1 whole square, correct? This would be equals to PB, 0 minus 0 and x minus 5 whole square, correct? Okay, now simplify it. This will become x plus 1 whole square, x minus 5 whole square, squaring both sides, square root will get cancelled. You will with x plus 1 whole square equals to x minus 5 whole square. Solve it. X square plus 2x plus 1 equals to x square minus 10x plus 25. Okay, x square will get cancelled. This will become 2x plus 10x equals to 25 minus 1. So 12x equals to 24 and x will be 24 by 12, that is 2. So x is 2, then this answer will be 2, 0. This is the point which is equidistant from A and B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now coming to this second question, which is asking that what is the distance between of a point -3, 4 from the x-axis. Let कि अगर एक point है x-axis से, if P is on x-axis, तो इसके जो coordinates होंगे वो होंगे x-axis में, तो x तो होगा ही 0, ठीक है? और let A is given -3, 4 and you have to find out the distance of the point from the x-axis, correct? So if you draw on the graph, correct, so -3 and 4, ठीक है? The point is somewhere here, x minus 3 and this is 4. So this is your A, -3 and 4, and your point is on the x-axis, correct, and y is 0. So what is the distance of the point -3 by 4 from x-axis? So if you find out what is the distance of the point, this is your x-axis, correct, and the distance from x-axis, this axis to this point, so this is 4 units. Okay, so distance is 4 units, correct? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now the third question is asking you have to find out the distance between a point P, that is given -6, 8, and it has to be find out from the origin, correct? So -6 and 8, that means it is lying in the second quadrant, somewhere in the second quadrant, correct? If I draw it, it will be like here only. Let's consider it is P -6 and 8 and here is your origin 0, 0. This you have to find, correct, this distance. So distance, let it is O. So you have to find PO. So PO distance will be 0 minus 8 square plus 0 plus 6 square. Okay, so this is 64, this is 136. So all makes it 100, and 100 is 10 ka square. Square will get cancelled out. The distance between P and O is 10 units. Okay. Chali. Moving to the next question then. Now coming to our fourth question, which is saying that if the points A and B lies on the circle with center O and find the value of x. So there are 2 points A and B that lies on the circle. We don't know where they lie, but we know that there is a center of 2, 3. If I draw somewhere like this, a circle with a center O having the coordinates 2, 3, and let the A is here 4, 3, and B is here x, 5. So one common thing is that if this is also a radius, O is also a radius, and OB is also a radius. That means OA is equals to OB. Okay. Now if I want to find out OA, how will y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 2 square. Okay. And OB will be x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. Correct. So this will become 2 square, and this will become x minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. Correct. So after simplifying it, it will become root 4, and this will become x minus 2 square plus 4. Squaring both sides, so root 4 square plus x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 4 whole square. Correct. Square will get cancelled. This will become 4 x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 4. This will get cancelled. So this is nothing but x minus 2 whole square equals to 0. That means x minus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 2 equals to 0. That is the same thing. X equals to 2. Correct. So your x is become 2. So the B coordinates will be 2 and 5. Correct. This is the value of x. Okay. चलिए next question की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Now this question is asking that we have to find the distance between the 2 points. 2 points are given. So let's apply the distance formula and then you can solve it. Correct. So let the point is A, that is minus 8 by 5 and 2, and the another point is B, that is 2 by 5 and 2. You have to find the distance between these 2 points, that is AB. So this is y2 minus y1, that means 2 minus 2 whole square plus 2 by 5 minus minus plus 8 by 5 square. Okay. So this will become 5, 8 plus 2 square. Correct. That means 10 by 5 whole square. This will get cancelled. The remaining is 10 by 5, that is 2. So AB is coming yours 2 units. Okay. So this was an easy question. Now let's move to the next one. Now moving to our sixth question. The question is asking that there is a point on x-axis. If there is a point on x-axis, that means the y coordinates is 0, which is equidistant from a point this and that. So let P is your point and it is on x-axis, so it is the coordinates of, and it is equidistant from 2 points, A that is -1 0 and there is B that is 5 0. Correct. That means PA equals to PB. So you have to find the distance. PA equals to PB. That means x plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 square equals to x minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 0 square. Okay. So you have to find it, x plus 1 whole square, and this is x minus 5 whole square. Correct. So square will get cancelled. You are left with x plus 1, x minus 5. Correct. So before simplifying, before cutting this square root, squaring, let's open it. Correct. Explain by square root and x minus 5 square root. ठीक है, नहीं तो आंसर नहीं मिलेगा हमें. So this will become x square plus 2x plus 1, and this will become x square minus 10x plus 5. Then squaring both sides, we will have x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square equals to x square minus 10x plus 5. Yes, this will be 25. X square minus plus 5, 25. Okay, squaring this thing. So this will left with x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to x square minus 10x plus 25. This is get cancelled. This will become 12x and this will become 25 minus 1. 12x equals to 24. X is equal to 24 by 12. That is 2. So the coordinates is 2 and 0. Okay. Now coming to our next question, find the length of the median AD and B. There are two medians of a triangle ABC whose vertices are given. Okay, no issue. So we have to draw first a triangle ABC. A is given 7 minus 3, B is given 5 3, and C is given 3 1 minus 1. So there are two median, AD is your median, okay, and BE is a median. Okay. Now D is the mid point of BC. Correct. तो D के coordinates क्या होंगे? X would be 5 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2, that is 4. Correct. And Y would be 3 minus 1 divided by 2, 2 by 2, that is 1. So coordinates of D is your 4 and 1. Correct. Then you have to find the coordinates. E is the mid point of AC. Correct. Now the X will be 7 plus 3 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. Then Y would be minus 3 minus 1 by 2, that is minus 4 by 2 minus 2. Okay. So coordinates of this is 5 and minus 2. Then you have to find the length. Correct. So first length would be AD. AD क्या होगा? The AD coordinates are given. So it would be 4 minus 7 square plus 1 minus will be plus 3 square. So 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 3 square plus 4 square. So this is 9 plus 16, that is 25, that is 5. So AD is your 5 units, correct? The distance of AD is 5 units. Then we have to find the distance of second median, that is BE. Okay, so BE would be 5 minus 5 square plus 3 minus 2. So it will become plus square, correct? So this is 0 square plus 5 square, 5 square, square will get, and this is B is also units, 5 units. Okay, correct? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now we have the question 8 is asking that prove that the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD with vertices given are equal and bisect each other. Okay, then we have to find the distance basically. So there is a rectangle with A given 2 minus 1, B is also given 5 minus 1, C is given 5, 6 and D is given 2, 6. Now it's a rectangle, so we have to find out that the diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Okay, so diagonal here is this thing. Okay, so there are two things you have to prove, one equal, another bisect each other. Okay, so they are bisecting at a point O having a coordinates x, y. So first you have to find AC, correct? So AC will be 5 minus 2 square plus 6 plus 1 square. So this is 3 square plus 7 square, that is 9 plus 49, that is 9, 9, 18, 51. Then you have to find AC, then find BD. BD will be 2 minus 5 square plus 6 plus 1 whole square. So this is minus 3 whole square plus 7 square, that is 9 plus 49, that is 51, correct? So AC is equals to BD, diagonals are equal. Now what about the bisect? So bisect you have to find the midpoint. O is the midpoint of DB. So O के coordinates होंगे, x will be 2 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 7 by 2, or y is 6 minus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2, correct? Again O is the midpoint of AC. तो यहाँ पे x क्या होगा, 5 plus 2 divided by 2 equals to 7 by 2, and y is equals to 6 minus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. That means the diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at what are the coordinates, 7 by 2 and 5 by 2. So this is also 7 by 2, 5 by 2, correct? So we have proof that they are equal and they bisect each other at the coordinates of 7 by 2 and 5 by 2. Now this question is asking is the same question which is of equidistance from the point, where one point is given and that is equidistance from the other 2 points. So here if we draw it, there is a P, that is k minus 1 and 2. It is equidistance from 2 points. Okay, the one point is 3k, another point is k5. So you have to, it is given that PA is equals to PB, correct? So PA is equals to PB, that means k minus 1 minus 3 square equals to 2 minus k whole square equals to k minus 1 minus k whole square equals plus 2 minus 5 whole square, correct? So here it is k minus 4 square plus 2 minus k whole square equals to, here the k will get cancelled, it is minus 1 square plus minus 3 square, correct? So you can open it here, this will be k square minus 8k plus 16 plus 4 minus 2k plus k square, okay, and this is equals to 1 plus 9. अगर इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे तो दिस इज k स्क्वायर प्लस k स्क्वायर 2k स्क्वायर माइनस 8k माइनस 2k माइनस 10k प्लस 16 प्लस 4 20 equals to square root of 10. Now squaring both sides, you will get 2k square minus 10k plus 20 equals to root 10 square. Square square will get cancelled. 2k square minus 10k plus 20 equals to 10. So this is will be 2k square minus 10k plus 20 minus 10 equals to 0. 2k square minus 10k plus 10 equals to 0. Taking 2 common, this will be 2k minus 5k plus 5 equals to 0. So you will left with the quadratic equation, that is k square minus 5k plus 5. Okay, so this sum is to be unreal, where maybe we have done somewhere a mistake. So let's check it out here. Here what we have made mistake, it would be 4k only. Okay, so this will become 12k. Okay, and this is okay. So here this is 12k, correct? So this would be 12k, 12k, 12k. So this will become 6. Now this is 6k. Okay, so we can now differentiate minus 2k minus 3k. So this will be 6. So it's not possible. So we will like this only. 5k minus k plus 5 equals to 0. So k minus 5 minus 1 k minus 5 equals to 0. So we will have two values. There will be two values of k. One will be 1 and another will be 5. Okay. So there are two values of k here. So you can use either 1 or 5, correct? So if k is 1, then the coordinates of p will be 1 minus 1 0 and 2. If k is 5, then p will be 5 minus 1 4 and 2. So this will be two answer of, if k is 2, the coordinates of p will be 2. Okay, moving to the last question. Now this question is similar to the previous one which we have done, but again the same kind of question they is asking again and again, but the values will be different. So here ABCD is a rectangle whose 3 vertices are given and you have to find one of the diagonal. So let's draw it. So A coordinates are not given, let it x and y. B is given, that is 4 0. C is given, that is 4 3, and D is also given, that is 0 3. Now you have to one of the diagonals. So one of the diagonals is BD. You can find out BD directly. That is y2 minus y1. That means 3 minus 0 square or 0 minus 4 square. Correct? So this is 3 square plus minus 4 square. That is 9 plus 16. That is 25. Correct? So BD is equal to 5 square. This will get cancelled. So your BD is 5 units. Okay. So this is the answer of this 10th question. So today we have done 10 numbers of question that is repeated in your CBSE board, and this was the second lecture of this series. We will continue with this series where we will cover all the PYQs of coordinate geometry. As of now, thank you for today.